guys, welcome back to our channel. It's on Saturday of the Easter weekend, and today we will be doing some organization and last minute packing for our big trip, and I will be bringing you guys along with us. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming to our channel. Please like, share, and also don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, we appreciate you very much. So I woke up very early today. I think by 4 a.m. I was already up. I wrote some stuff down, I did some research, and then I was waiting for Fiona to wake up. At least today she slept very good because she woke up at 6:30, and now it's around 7:30, so we've already had our breakfast, and we are just relaxing, waiting for Daddy to wake up, and then we can start our day. So today there will be a lot of different aspects, unlike yesterday. Today I know we need to go to the car wash today, and then I need to pack my stuff and Fiona's stuff, yeah. So maybe I will video some of that, and then I don't know what else. I will just take a video of my day today, yeah. As the famous saying goes, that when you want to travel, you should lay out all your clothes and then take half the clothes and double your money. But when you have babies, you have to double those clothes to make sure that you're sorted for all those days. Yeah. So we are going for 5 days, and this is only half of what Fiona's bag will carry. There's still a lot more that needs to be packed. Oh my god. So cool.